Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today's video is going to be another Tumbler-ish type video. This video we are going to be hydro dipping for the very first time. We already have a tumbler already prepped and primed for the hydro dipping process. It's be very interesting. I know there's a bunch of them out on YouTube for you to see. I have looked through a bunch, but I've never actually done it. So this will be an interesting process. So for us hydro dipping for the first time, we're actually not going to be doing it the way that I've seen a lot of people do the hydro dipping before, which is through spray paint.
We're going to do it with alcohol ink.
Yeah, so we have, which will be also interesting because I have never used alcohol ink before. So on these tumblers, I've only used epoxy and acrylic or glitter. So I've never actually touched these alcohol inks before. So not only are we hydro dipping for the first time, but we're hydro dipping with alcohol ink, which I've never done before. So we have, we're gonna do 3 colors. Adrian is here with me and Zoe is in here as well.
So that's where the noise is coming
There's where all the noise is. She is messing with all the workout equipment. So the 3 colors we're gonna end up using are flamingo, amethyst, and patina. So yeah, so we're gonna see how this works. What my goal is I want to hopefully be able to successfully hydro dip for the first time. And then we're gonna end up taking the hydro dip cup and put some epoxy on it to seal it. And then this is gonna be Adrian's cup. So it's gonna be up to her whether she wants to put any kind of glitter or anything else on it after it's hydro dipped. So we're gonna take you through the process and yeah, we'll go ahead and get started. All right, so from watching the videos that I have watched for hydro dipping, you have to basically put multiple layers, 3 or 4 layers of the colors kind of stacked on top of each other. So that's what we're gonna try to do and see if it works. That doesn't look like it's gonna work very well at all.
Maybe. If it doesn't work.
So if it fails, we'll just paint over it and start again. So now from watching the videos, what we have to do is put this in at an angle slowly and then slowly kind of twist it as it goes down. Hopefully this will work. If it does not, we will be spray painting it white and doing something else. So
we'll try it with spray paint.
Yeah, so we can try it with spray paint next. Yep. All right, so let's attempt it. So we're gonna go in at an angle and then slowly turn, and then you kind of do this.
Hopefully you're not dying.
And does not work. That didn't work. I think what we'll end up doing now is we can either spray paint this white again, or we can try to do the hydro dip with spray paint over this color.
Just over that color.
Okay. So this is what hydro dipping alcohol ink looks like.
It just rolls right off.
It doesn't do anything. I swear I've seen this done before and I thought it worked, but apparently either I did it wrong, which is 100% possible, or I don't have the right stuff to make it work.
Yeah.
So take 2. We're not using spray paint. So we have these 4 colors, black, white, purple, pink, and we're gonna attempt it this way. Hopefully this works. So we're gonna go
Gently
down.
Oh yeah. Hopefully it works. Whoa.
Yep, too much black.
Whoa, look at that.
Mm-hmm. It's kind of cool though. All right. So this is what it looks like. Kind of cool.
Whoa.
Okay, try and stop. I don't really like this, but maybe we can find some way to fix that potentially. So, all right, first time, not the best.
But next time.
We'll get it.
Your day.
Hey guys, so as you just saw, this is going to be what the final cup turned out to be. We had a couple mishaps while doing this cup for the first time, so found out the hard way. Alcohol inks do not work, or at least the way that I did them when we were trying to hydro dip the tumbler, so that was a fail. But we were able to successfully get it done with spray paint like everyone else that's ever hydro dipped before. So we were able to hydro dip the cup, we were able to kind of salvage it, get it all taken care of, and then this is what the final product looked like. We were able to put some epoxy on it, seal it all up, and I think it really turned out pretty cool. Yeah, so there was a couple of spots. It's the first time we've done it, so lessons learned, maybe dipping in a little bit differently or just doing different things. Just practice makes perfect. I do think that the next time though, we're gonna do it without any kind of, or not as much black ink, because the black just kind of overpowered it in my opinion, but it still does look really cool. You just can't really see because the colors that we used were pink and purple, black and white, and because the black is so overpowering, you can't really see the pink and the purple. Like you can see the pink and the purple, but it's kind of, it blends in too much. So, but overall, I think it's really cool. It worked out really well. So this is what we have. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel. If while you're watching this video, if you see what I did wrong with the alcohol inks, please let me know. And then for the spray painting, the hydro dips, if there was anything that I did that you think I needed to do differently, please let me know as well. Cause this is the first time I've done it and I don't know. But thanks for watching. Like I said, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you again a little bit later. Bye.
Why always cover your